Thanks a lot. I'm Sarvesh Devraj. I'm representing Infosys. So I'm working with Infosys for the last 2 years. So majorly working in the area of battery, hydrogen, and other renewables. So I have overall 8 years experience in the energy sector. So I have done like a combination of research and consulting project. So today I'm talking about one of the cloud energy management platform which we have developed with one of the client in the Singapore. So I'm naming it as a sustainable energy transition. So this presentation is very short. It followed by the short demo video which we have prepared for this cloud energy management platform. So just to give a glimpse of what is happening in the digital sector of the energy sector. So as we already know that a lot of renewable are going into the grid, and as per the IEA figures, like around 29% is total in the RE has been already put into year 2020-22. Now it is expected to reach around 2020-25, and there is also a lot of challenges related to how to monitor the real time yield and other parameter of renewable energy technology, and along with the storage technology. As we also know that a lot of EVs are into the picture, and they are putting into the grid, and charging and discharging also creating an issue with the grid. So a lot of issues with the is going to be happen. It is already happened. So how digital can come into the picture and solve the problems? Like lot of issues already, there is a lot of investment in the digital sector is going on around since 2020 2025, around 50% is grid interactive investment is already interacted by the different project developer, and it is expected to around 19% of overall grid type investment. So address this digital and other things come into the pictures, how to manage the grid. AI and machine learning can play a significant role, and also the managing the assets. So like some of the digital technologies like IoTs, peer-to-peer tradings, virtual power plant to handle where variable RE is going to be instrumental in this 20 to 30 years. Also digitally, like lot of companies, even Infosys, they are forefront in the developing like EVs, smart charging monitoring network stations, which can also estimate the capacity and also the how to manage the overloadings and other things. So this is a simple snapshot of the digital transition in the energy sector. So now I'm coming to the solution that we are proposing for our side from the Infosys. So Infosys is working one of the battery manufacturer in Singapore. So for which we have developed this cloud energy management program. So basically, the if in a nutshell, if I talk about it, is an innovative concept which can help intelligently manage the distributed energy resources from the central stations by enabling interface with existing grid control stations. So you can see lot of variety of long duration storage, critical loads, electricity grid, and solar plant that easily can be managed by the smart energy cloud intervention. So there are a lot of benefit of this platform. It can also utilize to real time to access the parameters, also the asset maintenance and the health of the instrument. It can also allow you to lot of DRE integration through the microgrid integration. It helps in integrating these things, and everybody know that key virtual power plant and energy trading is going to be play a great game in the near future. So this kind of platform is really helpful in estimating and also overall reducing the operational cost and other parameters. It can also help to track assets and their how to improve their reliability and visibility and life cycles. So ultimately, it is very beneficial to project developer, engineers, and also the those who are putting their money into the project. So So this is a smart solution that we are developing. So as since we have a very less time, so I will try to just more focus on the demos. So it has a different kind of features like design features where the logins and other details can be manipulated or can be customized as per the requirement, and operational feature as I already told that it can real-time asset visibility, and also you can also track the savings and other thing, energy cost saving and other time parameters. So ultimately it helps in cost and efficiency parameters. So this is a short presentation from my side. So let me share the the demo. So unfortunately I have a recording of the demo, but I will try to explain. So this is a dashboard. It looks like, so it once you get into the password and other parameters, so it takes you to the other page. So where you can see lot of project sites. So like Jurong is one of the sites and Marina Barrage is one of the sites. So it had different kind of parameter where you can see the location and the GIS and other parameter like temperature, humidity, and times. Once you click that any of the location, it will take you to the dashboard. It has a two kind of screens. So one is real time view where you can see the lot of parameter of battery like battery temperature, stack temperature, humidity, and also the power conditioning unit, inverters, and other supply, AC and DC supply. It can be shown. So that the data is basically is sent through uh, AW micro services. So here you can say, let me pause. You can see that key, what is the inverters AC supplied, average inverter DC power, and reactive power in real time manner. So it can be customized as per the demand. Like it can be also seen in the hours basis, and it can be also seen in the minutes and also in the month form. So if you want to download the data, it can all easily downloadable in form of CSV files. So these are the data like earlier I was showing for the month. Now it is for the minutes. On the uh, sorry, right hand corner you can see the time for the last 10 minutes. Eventually you can see for the years, quarter, month, and weeks and days data. So this is like 10 hours data.
Sarvesh, you have one more minute.
Hello.
Sarvesh, you have one more minute.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Your voice is very low.
They
Okay.
are saying you have only one minute left over.
Okay. Okay, sir. Let me go to the energy. Uh, So, like energy summary analytic, it tells about the how the PV generation, what is the demand, and what are the load hours are there. So you can see the green dots are there when the power is injecting into the grid. Basically, the power is selling back to the grid. So these are the parameter can be seen in the dashboard, and also it tells when there is a what is the cost of the battery, wear of battery, grid cell prices, and grid power prices. So these are the parameter can be seen through this dashboard. So yeah, as per the requirement, it can be download. The data can be downloaded in form of CSP. It could be a month wise, it could be minute wise, it could be week. So in some cases like hourly data is not available, so because the current date, on that date it was not available when the video was recorded, so it is now showing the quarterly data. So that's it, sir. Thanks a lot. So if anybody have any question, they can approach me through this method, through email. Thank you very much, sir.